Okay everybody, so here we are. I'm going to take you up to the power hammer dies. Welcome back to the workshop. Forgot my little intro there. Yeah, so I've been working quite steadily. This is now a couple days later, a little bit of aftermath, but there's the new dies all welded on. I'm not going to take you in too close because it's going to make the welders that are on the channel cringe at my welding capabilities, but those are on there solidly. So now I've got much bigger dies to hammer against. Again, this is supposed to be a temporary measure. This whole hammer is going to be replaced here sometime in the fall, so we'll see how well this holds up for me. Hopefully it'll hold up very well. This is just kind of concluding my little 3-part vlog series, or 4 parts, or I don't know what we're on right now, of upgrading the power hammer. I hope you guys enjoyed it. So it won't be a long one today, but look at the mess I've created. There's bits of welding rod and you name it, cords laying everywhere. I don't know about you all, but when I get into a project, I really get into it. Cleaned up the bench a little bit, you know, but I've got a lot of work here to get my shop back and straightened up, so I can get back at my little wrought iron hammer project I was working at, and a bunch of customer orders. So I've got about the next 6 months worth of work already sold, 40 hours a week. So pretty good, pretty good amount of backlog of orders. That's definitely a blessing, and so I'm counting those as exactly that, a blessing. But I've already given this thing just a little bit of a try on some tubing stock, and it's working pretty darn good. Flatten that out cold pretty quick within a few hits. So I think this thing's gonna work out great, but you know, who knows, we'll have to see how it works. So that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this quick little update vid, and let me know what you think of it in the comment section down below. Would you like to see it running and actually smushing some hot steel in a video? Let me know that as well down there in the comment section. As always, God bless you, and we will catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching.